In this laboratory in Cambridge, scientists are carrying out groundbreaking genetic research. It could transform the diagnosis and treatment of cancer and one day make chemotherapy a thing of the past. Paul is living proof of this revolutionary science. He has leukemia, but DNA testing means doctors have been able to give him the best treatment.
It means my life really. Without targeted therapy, I would run a serious risk of not being here and not being able to spend time with my wife and my family and having a normal life, or as normal as it can be. So, and the beauty of this, from what I've seen today, is that it can actually be preventative. It can actually treat people in the future and help not only me but other people as well.
Thanks to £300 million of public and private investment, scientists will test the DNA of 100,000 people with cancer and rare inherited diseases.
These machines will map out each person's genome. That's their genetic blueprint or the instruction manual for their body. A slide like this will contain an entire person's DNA code. Scientists will then be able to pinpoint what's gone wrong so they can better understand the disease.
The data will then be used by drugs companies to develop personalised, targeted medicines, abolishing the need for unpleasant chemotherapy and hopefully leading to treatments for rare genetic diseases.
If you think about a cancer and how it grows, it's like a family tree of cells that develop over time. What happens is that one or two of those cells start to proliferate. And if you can understand the genomics behind that, you can tailor the therapy to the individual patient. And that really is a great opportunity.
The government wants the NHS to be the first in the world to offer genomic medicine as part of its routine care.
We want, and Prime Minister Cameron's vision is that Britain will lead in the next decades in this exciting field of genetic medicine.
Isn't there a danger, though, that this information could be used for more sinister purposes by insurance companies, for example?
We've been very clear. We want Britain to set the ethical framework for the revolution of genetic medicine, and we've prohibited any use of this information by anybody with severe criminal penalties.
The project is now in its pilot phase, but from next year work will begin for real to revolutionise the fight against cancer and rare diseases.